Hi, Miss Jean. Today I'm going to be doing my homework, which is about sounds that have their own names. For example, clapping. That's how clapping sounds. Next we have slurping. Slurping sounds like this. That's how slurping sounds like. Next we have sigh. Sigh sounds like that's how sigh sounds like. And next we have gasp. Gasping sounds like that's how gasping sounds like. Next we have screaming. Screaming sounds like that's how screaming sounds like. Next we have gargle. Gargle sounds like that's how gargle sounds like. Next we have laughing. Laughing sounds like Next we have giggling. Giggling sounds like